TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was here, and we mentioned we were looking for the correction. This is what we get. Anyway, for those traders, they get a trade from here. They should take out the trade, or if they can move their stop loss to break even, because the way is moving is very corrective. And one of the indicators showing us a divergence. Anyway, we have been looking for buy, and the targets we have been looking for. The first one was 11 cent, following by 0.114, following by 0.117. All right. And the most important things, we wanted to see the breakout of this zone. Anyway, the way is moving is very corrective. I don't think we can get a really good trade setup unless we get the sharp move flag. We take the trade, or this one to give us one more drop. Then we look at this one as a flat by having entry above the top. Either we look for trade from, with this option, if we get the deeper correction, or we wait for the short move flag. All right. By the way, at this point, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. Even if the price continues as a corrective, we are not really interested to look for buy. And if we move to daily chart, we have been looking for this one. And that's why I mentioned if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. And the target based on daily chart we have been looking for was 0.144, following by 17 cents. This is the targets we are looking for based on daily chart in relative to this correction as a first correction and then next. All right. By the way, as I mentioned, if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we'll take the trade. And if we move to forward chart, the way is reverse. If the price reverse as a corrective move, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup, because we should be aware in the bigger picture about this flat in relative to this. If the price give us one more drop, the next drop can be sharp as what we had here. All right. For sure, if this one happen, following by divergence, it can give us better confirmation to look for trade, but we don't need to wait for this option. That's why if you get any opportunity for buy within this one, from this correction, we will take the trade. But we should know that any trade, we need to see the continuation as a short move, not the corrective move. The reason is we don't want to take the trade in the corrective move, because we know about this possibility and next drop. All right. But based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. And even based on 1 hour chart, just now explain how we can look for trade. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.